Hey everyone, welcome to Momuscraft. In this video, we're going to make a Yoshi hat. If this is your first time here, you'll find lots of other masks on the channel, so I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of them. The first thing we'll do is download the PDF with the templates. You'll find the link in the description. The fastest way is to print the templates directly onto colored cardstock, but you can also print them on regular paper and then glue each piece onto the corresponding colored cardstock. As a third option, you can use the pre-colored templates. In that case, you'll only need to print them on white cardstock. Remember, there's also a smaller version of the templates, ideal for kids. For this project, we'll need 1 white sheet of cardstock, 1 red, a bit of black, and 11 green sheets. If you choose the colored templates, then you'll only need 13 white sheets. Here we have all the pieces. The pieces on the first page go in white. The ones on the second page will be red, except for pieces 20 and 21, which are black. All the other pieces will be green. Besides cutting each part, you'll also need to fold along the lines. If you don't remember how to do that, I'll leave you a short video where it's explained step by step. Now let's get started. We'll begin using pieces 1 and 2, simply joining the small tabs of piece 1 with piece 2. Next, we'll work with pieces 3, 4, 5, and 6. First, we'll glue the tabs of piece 3 and then attach it to piece 4. Then we'll glue the tabs of piece 5 and attach it to piece 6. Once these two groups are ready, we'll join them together like this. When we have this larger piece, we'll attach it to the one we made earlier. Little by little, Yoshi's nose starts to take shape. With these 3 pieces, we'll begin forming part of Yoshi's eyes. We'll apply glue to piece 7 to attach it to piece 8. Then we'll add glue to the tabs of piece 9 to attach it to this part of the nose. To finish, we'll apply glue to the 2 center tabs to connect it with pieces 7 and 8. To give the nose the proper shape, we'll need to attach piece 18. But before that, it's important to make this piece stronger than the others. So after cutting it out, we'll glue it onto another layer of cardstock to make it more durable. I already had mine prepared, so I just needed to attach it little by little. Next, we'll use pieces 10 and 11 to form the back part of both eyes. We'll glue the tabs of each piece to shape them first. Don't forget to like the video to motivate me to keep creating, and subscribe so you don't miss future projects. Once both parts are ready, we'll join them together. Then we'll carefully glue them onto the eye section, taking our time so it looks as good as possible. Now we'll continue with pieces 12 and 13 to create the right side of Yoshi's face. We'll shape piece 12 and then attach it to piece 13. Once this large piece is ready, we'll attach it to the right side of the hat like this. Now we'll use the 2 red pieces. First, we'll glue the tabs of both pieces so they take the correct shape. Once ready, we'll attach them in these spaces. First piece 14, then piece 15. Next, we'll create the left side of the hat. These pieces are similar to a pair we added earlier, but the way we assemble them will be different. We'll first glue piece 17 to make it easier to handle. Then attach piece 16 to complete the structure of the hat. Now let's create the details that will make it look like a real Yoshi hat. On piece 19, we'll attach pieces 20 and 21, which will be the pupils of the eyes. Then we'll add pieces 22 and 23 on top, which will be the highlights. We'll finish with pieces 24 and 25, which we'll glue onto Yoshi's cheeks. Piece 24 goes on the right side and piece 25 on the left. And that's how our finished Yoshi hat looks. Remember, you can support this content by joining Momuscraft Premium, where you'll be able to download any template from the channel without ads. Thank you so much for watching the video.